Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm exploring this brand new, or at least new to me, pathway that can give you a little view of the rail yards here at Pointe St Charles. Sort of similar to the one over by the rail yard, except this one's going to be overlooking the Via Rail yards. In the back is the REM, and those are the towers from Ile des Sœurs. And we've got, oh, it's Wednesday, that's true, so we have the train set here from the ocean. Here's the locomotives for the ocean, and the cars are in the back there. There's the REM track. I don't know if they're running REMs because they were closing it down for some work. And there's the shops. Came here just on a whim. Sounds like something's moving. And there's an SCV-42, I believe they are called. Oh, there. Okay. They're switching out the ocean cars. They're moving them. There's a REM going by as well. City of Montreal from a different vantage point I've never seen before. Alright, so this train that I was looking at before, I tried to get ahead of it, but it didn't look like it was going to happen. But here's an unusual view. Like a muddler's view. There's a REM in the background and some of the three types of VIA cars. Look at that. You got the Ocean type Renaissance cars, you've got the HEP cars, and you've got the Venture cars right there. Really great new spot. So here's the best secret, being up on top of this gigantic hill. There's the servicing facilities for all these locomotives. There it is. I'm looking for that REM. They are running them. They're just not in service. There's a Lumi, I think. Yeah, being up on top of this hill here is like a jackpot. Look at this. You can see right out across the yard without even a drone. Somebody's done some nasty graffiti. Needs to be smacked on the face. Don't do it to passenger cars.